18th College of Engineering, Mysore. I have been associated with UHV since 2017. The very first time when principals were asked to have a meeting in Bangalore, that was the time from the institution I was deputed for the program. So, on the very first day I can see it was never, I wasn't not clear in the very first meet that was happened in, if I'm right, it was in MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Then 2018, I was deputed to Sahyadri College of Engineering, 3 days offline program, then followed by 5 days offline program in 2019. Lot of confusions were there when it comes to professionalism and relationships, conflicts. I could say that, lot of Chopra Bhaiya was the resource person for us that time. 2018 I'm talking about. He was working in ISRO. Yes, yeah. So a lot of confusions were there. And should we treat the organization which we are working as a second home? Now also it's done. Many people say, profession, don't consider profession as your personal this one. Don't treat your colleagues as your relatives. Colleague can never become family. All these are the notions we have right now. So that confusion was there that time for me also. So a lot of conflicts and many things could get resolved during that time because I am from the family where my grandparents were teachers, my parents were, my father was a professor. And even today we have very good rapport with my father's friends who passed away in 1984. Even after 44 years of his demise, still we have a very good contact with his colleagues. So I personally feel from the teacher family, the academicians do great things when it comes to family bondage as well. Some confusions because of my own personal experiences during that time, and a lot of them could get resolved during the UHG program that was convened in Sahyadri Engineering College. Later in 2020, I got deputed from the institution at the level of management to participate. That was the time I could share I was convener of SIP in 18 and 19 in our institution. I could share my experiences with the ACT. So actually ACT was very happy about our report, and they said we can have it as a role model for VTU colleges. It was really very well conducted. And incidentally I also happened to be the governing council member of our institution. I personally feel this UHG makes a real difference when it comes to an academician's personal life as well as a professional life. And since 2020, we have included a parameter in our appraisal process where the faculty whosoever has been undergoing this UHV program gets additional marks. And it is mandatory. So any faculty who has joined the institution has to have a course, a 5 days course that they have to undergo, so that they will be able to avail that marks when it comes to the self-appraisal. And we could convene with the support of ACT, we could convene 3 days student induction program faculty induction program in our institution. That was an offline program, and Soumya Didi and Jayaprakash Bhaiya were the resource persons. It was really very well conducted program. Many of the faculty could see the transformation in their personal life as well as the professional life thanks to both of that. And I personally could see there is a lot of transformation in me. Whole approach has become more human, and being connected with UHP for such a long time, we could clearly see the intent when someone speaks. I don't know whether it is strength or weakness, but sometimes it becomes very clear to us, and later on we prepare ourselves, and we also do a lot of self-exploration to see how the things can become better. Anyway, thanks for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you.